Blissful Wellness CBD Gummies are being hyped everywhere with bold promises, better sleep, pain relief, lower anxiety, and a calmer mind, all packed into a sweet little gummy claiming to contain 10 milligrams of broad-spectrum CBD from organic hemp. Add in a flashy risk-free guarantee and it starts sounding like the holy grail of wellness. But before you buy into the buzz, let's take a step back and look at what's really going on. At first glance, the product looks polished and convincing, but once we dug deeper, things quickly started falling apart. There's no verified company behind these gummies, no official business registration, no address, and no trustworthy contact details. Worse, there's absolutely no certificate of analysis, which is a standard lab test that any reputable CBD brand should provide to prove what's actually inside the product. Without that, there's no way to know if you're really getting CBD at all, let alone the promised 10 milligrams per gummy. Then come the shady marketing tactics websites that keep redirecting, multiple brand names floating around, and a complete absence of real customer reviews. Everything about this feels rushed and recycled, from the overly generic testimonials to the flashy promises that mirror known scam formats in the supplement world. While we're not saying the product is 100% fake or dangerous, the total lack of transparency and verification makes it extremely hard to trust. If a company can't even provide basic proof of what's in their product or show they're legitimate, that should raise serious doubts. So, while Blissful Wellness CBD Gummies might sound like the answer to your stress and sleep problems, the truth behind the label tells a much murkier story. Don't let the calming colors and clever marketing fool you. What looks blissful on the surface could end up being a complete waste of your money.